I'm cooking 4 delicious recipes using kitchen kit made by Sage. Fancy a meat-free alternative for burger night? Well, my vegetable bajee burgers are absolutely delicious and super fun to make. Starting off with the coarse grater going into my food processor in the kitchen whiz, carrots and courgettes. It gets grated beautifully. See how easy that was? Right, get yourself an onion, slice it into a bowl, pinch of salt, some turmeric, ground coriander and chilli powder for a little bit of heat. Start mixing it all together. You can feel the moisture beginning to come out. And as you squeeze it, the acid comes out and makes you cry, but don't worry about it. And at this point, I'm going to add the grated vegetables, but we're going to bind it all together with gram flour. And everything is beginning to stick together, which is exactly what we want. One last ingredient, chopped spinach, and then just work it together. Got a frying pan here with quite a bit of oil in the bottom. I'm just going to shape my burgers and fry them. We're going to do these bajees in batches so that we don't overcrowd the pan. I'm looking for lovely golden colour. And then you just flip them over and cook them the other side. Just remove them from the pan. You're going to pop them into an oven just to keep them nice and warm. And get some more of your mix, shape it and get it cooking. Okay. Do need a little bit of cooling and soothing yoghurt. Some mint leaves, gonna roughly chop them with a little pinch of salt, mix it through. So we're just gonna build our burgers. We've got some brioche buns, and on the base of the bun, the yoghurt and mint dressing, put your vegetable bajee burgers. And I reckon you can be super generous and use 2 in each bun. Some salad leaves, nice spoonful of mango chutney, and then some Bombay mix. This is a bit like putting crisps in a sandwich, which is definitely a yes from me. And quite simply, lids on. And there you go, my vegetable bajee burgers. And that was super easy to do, using that food processor, grating it all together. Quick, but most importantly, super tasty. For dozens more fuss-free everyday meals, check out my new book, Real Life Recipes.